Hi, this is a quick overview of the WDS Twitter Widget Pro for Joomla. And once you've installed the actual module, on the right side here, there are some instructions that you really want to read first. Nothing too complex, but Twitter requires that you use their API now for any Twitter feeds. So this just gives you the instructions on how to do that. You click here and then you fill in, you get all your details for the app, which you then enter here. But if you go here, it'll just read this part anyway. There's some frequently asked questions you'll want to read. And this video is always at the bottom here once you've installed it. So you can always refer to it again. But once you've gone through these 5 steps and you have the information for the options tab, click on the options, fill these 4 fields in here, set your timeline or search. Now timeline, we have a multi-tweet in here now so that you can multi-user tweet. You can put as many users in here separated by a comma, and they will feed your tweets. So you can have them set as random or list. List means that they're in order, but I recommend having them set to random because you get a better mix. Okay, then you've got the username that you show in the header, search query that you want to search for. If you've got it instead of timeline mode, you can have it in search mode, and you can search for that particular key phrase. And you've got search title. If you've got it set to search, then you need to have a title here. Otherwise, well, you don't have to, but there'll be a blank space at the top of the module. So you can add any title you want on there. You can link the search title also right here, yes or no. You can have the number of tweets here, module height, show header, show Twitter icon. You can change the colors right here, tweet appearance. You can display the username. Sliding is important. That's what the actual scrolling effect is. You can turn that on and off. If you turn it off, then it's a static one like the free version. And the pro for the sliding or scrolling, whatever you want to call it, you can turn it on here. You can display tweets. If you've got it set to sliding, you can set it to 1 and it'll just scroll through. The amount of tweets that you selected up here in this one, the tweet number. It'll scroll through 10. You can add more if you want. And this is a new feature also, only available in the tab. It's in the Pro version. It's called Tab. It's basically you get, you've probably seen it before, but there's like a little tab that appears on the right or left right here. And if you have that turned on, when they slide over the tab, it will scroll out, it'll slide out, and there'll be scrolling tweets there. So it's a neat little feature if you want to try that out. And so you can change if it's right or left side for the tab, if you have it turned on, that is. The position from the top you can change for the tab. And this is important also if you're having a conflict with another plugin. You can try changing this code. We've got 5 different codes here that will change the jQuery code so that it might avoid a conflict or fix a conflict. So before you open a ticket, if you're having a conflict, try switching that, and then you might fix the problem yourself. If not, then just open a ticket on our site. We'll help you with it. You can control the sliding speed here, the transition speed, which is basically the pause amount of time, display avatars, display timestamps, reply link, retweet link, and favorite link. And then you've got down here, which is also only available in the Pro, you can choose a follow link, and you can put any username in here that you want. So if you wanted a client to be followed for a while, for example, you could put their name in there. That's pretty much it. And this is what it looks like when it's in the normal scrolling mode. The tab would be over on the right or left. Uh, and this is the follow button. You know, you can turn all this on and off and adjust it, adjust the colors and all that stuff. And on the product page, you can see some screenshots here. You know, the actual, but the video gives you full details anyway. You can get an expert install for $15 if you don't want to mess with any of this yourself. It's very easy to install. It's a few clicks and you just have to fill in the API key. But if you don't want to do that, then for $15, we'll install it for you. You just have to check that box and click the add to cart when you purchase it. Okay, well, that's about it. And thank you for your purchase and keep in touch. Thank you.